Hey guys, welcome to the table with me, Jamie Cox, owner and founder of OB Beard Co. Today I'm doing something a bit different for you. I'm doing an unboxing review of... That's the wrong way around. The Wahl? I don't know how you say it. Beard straightener. So let's get into the unboxing and then we'll get into it. So that's the Wahl beard straightener. You saw the unboxing, pretty cool, right? Looks a cool product. Looks kind of awesome. Why did I buy it? Why am I reviewing it? Well, the reason I bought it was because I was on argos.co.uk or com or whatever it is. I was looking at Argos anyway, and I wanted to get an Amazon Echo. And this popped up for some reason. Obviously, been listening to what I've been saying, and advertised a beard straightener. So $14.99 it cost. I bought it so I could review it to you guys. I've been meaning to do a video about beard straighteners for a while, and I thought it doesn't really hold a lot of weight if I'm talking to you about a product I haven't used. So I bought one and I've used it. I've unboxed it obviously, as you've seen, and I'm going to give you my opinion on it. So it's kind of a cool looking product. It's got some pretty cool features. It's got a 360 swivel so that the cable never gets tangled up, which I think is awesome, and I'd like to see it on hair dryers and stuff like that. In fact, you know what, I'd like to see it on a ton of electrical stuff, because then not getting cables tangled on stuff would be awesome. So that's a cool feature. It's also got these rounded little nibs on the end of the brush, and it's got these rounded nibs in the middle, if you can see them, just in the middle of them there. Now it gets pretty damn hot. I used a, let me grab it. I used my digital thermometer that we've been using at home for testing every day, and we won't be using it now. So I've been using it on, I'd used it on this, and it basically just said it was too high to read, so it must be getting pretty damn hot on there. I know it's got ceramic plates just behind the things here which actually heat up, and that's what causes the heat. These are just plastic, so they're obviously not going to get too hot, otherwise they'll melt. But using it, basically used it a number of times, and as you can imagine, it just feels like a hot brush going through. Benefits of it, I didn't really find too many benefits, and if I'm completely honest, using it when it's cooled down is pretty much going to give me the same results as when it's heated up. I don't have a super curly beard anyway, because obviously I brush my beard every day, and being the owner of a beard care brand, I look after it, and I'm privy to decent products which I can use every day. So for me, it's a bit of a thumbs down. I don't think it really brings anything to the table that you need. I think a boar hair brush and a decent hairdryer will do the same job. If anything, I think they'll do a better job. I have a way of using my boar hair brush with my hairdryer, which is much safer than using one of these, and I think it's much better. So I'm going to share that on a YouTube video with you soon. But for me, it's $14.99 that you could keep in your pocket. A boar hair brush is sort of $8.99 to £10 usually for around a decent boar hair brush. So you can save yourself £5, and also you can use your boar hair brush when you're styling. It's easier to take away. You don't have to worry about plugging it in all the time, and you don't have to worry about being really close to a mirror and a plug being close to the mirror and all that nonsense that people have issues with. But as I said, you don't need it. So that's my honest review. Let us know what you think in the comments. Please subscribe. Check out our other videos just here. And I will see you next week for another awesome video. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.